Hi, I'm Scott from Häuslein Tiny Houses, situated in Port Macquarie. And this is our tiny house, and I'm just going to give you a bit of a tour around. So if you want to just come this way and I'll show you. Up here we have a bit of a feature, which is the keyless entry. It's a Samsung unit, and it's pretty simple, keyless entry. Got a keypad, and you can, I'm just going to hide the password, type the password in, and she opens up. It's got electronics in there as well. So this is obviously double doors, so you can open it up in the summertime, make it nice and big. The space outside becomes part of the inside, which increases your floor area. So that's a nice little thing as well. So you'll come inside and you'll notice that your eye is allowed to travel up high, and your eye is also allowed to travel all the way to the end of the tiny house. So visually you get the most out of the space that's available. So it's got a really nice feel to it. Yeah, in here, this is the living area. And here we've actually got a slide out, and currently it's sliding out, and it just really maximizes that space, makes it just feel way bigger. Surprising what it does. And we've got a normal couch in there. We've just decided to have as many normal things as we can, standard things like normal couches, and same with appliances, because my wife and I actually lived in a tiny house for a couple of years, and we find that when it comes to reality, what you want is just things that are normal, because it just becomes a bit of a hassle when you've got to fold things out of the way and lift things out of the way. It's just a normal couch, you sit on it when you want, everybody's happy. And then obviously that looks sort of towards the television area. That's a full HD Samsung unit as well, and we've got little cypress pine bookshelf. And then all the feature timber in here, bench tops, kitchen bench tops, and the floor is all cypress pine. We think it's a beautiful timber. It's hard wearing. It sounds really nice. It's actually a beautiful touch. And this is obviously the breakfast bar area. So you've got essentially just a simple fixed breakfast bar, which you can use anytime you want. And there's also a cupboard door in here for access into the bench top. Soft close, everything's soft close. The reason I like the door on the end is because the other option is to have like a corner unit, and inside of those corner units actually ends up getting wasted space-wise. So it's a bit more efficient in my opinion, just having the access from the end of the kitchen unit there. So yeah, again, cupboard here you can access in there. Nice little feature shelf here. You've got plenty of drawers, got a bank of drawers here, soft close like everything else. Another set of bigger drawers here, and then below the dishwasher there's also a drawer, and the dishwasher itself is a drawer dishwasher, and we really feel that this is much better than a standard one, especially in this context, because one, it's safer because it's not a tripping hazard the same way a normal dishwasher is. It's safer, so you can just bump into it and no harm done. And also you don't have to bend down as well, so it's a win-win. And got a lovely massive big kitchen sink, which we all love, and then it's like a simple drainage system that you just set on there, and then a nice big tap, so you can put in big cooking pots in there and clean them, no worries. Yeah, it's just a great practical simple unit there. And then up here we've got blinds, so on both sides of the kitchen windows we've got a blind there, and then a blind on the other side here. So they work good. And then everywhere else that has windows, we just put these really beautiful kind of linen curtains up. And I'll just show you there behind you, Sam. We've got this, it's called a Victorian style clothes airer, and it basically just operates with a pulley system. You can go up and down with it, and you drop it down, put your clothes on it, and then you pull it all the way up out of the road, and up there it's nice and hot and dry. The clothes dry nice and fast. And then yeah, it's just a good system, utilizes that space really well, and it's just very functional. We think it looks nice too. And then, so I'll take you down the kitchen here, and what we actually have here is a reverse cycle air conditioner. This is a lovely efficient unit. It heats as well as cools, so summer, winter, it's great. And it only uses 500 to 600 watts of electric at full capacity, and it generates 3 odd kilowatts of heat or cooling. So it's very functional, works really well. And with that in mind, The cooker is full LPG and the hot water system is an instant gas hot water. So basically that takes away a lot of strain from the electrical system, so you can have a modest size solar system off the grid system and easily power the electrical things, including the heater and air conditioner, very easily. Modest system, it'll be cost effective, and essentially you'll have an air conditioned, climate controlled house all year round, which is something that we're really excited about. And then we've got a full size fridge here. Just a lot of modern appliances are very efficient these days, very conscious of that things. So just nice big full size standard big fridge. You got the fridge section upstairs. It's no bending down, freezer down the bottom there, and then just the microwave up here. And then I'll take you, well, last thing here, we've got an extractor system for the oven. It's 3-speed with a light, and you've also got a small covered area up there. We've got a full height pantry in there as well, so you can put lots of bits of food in there and have good access both sides. And like everything else, that's soft close. So you just come into the bathroom here, and what we have here is a solid timber door, which is nice. It's unusual, and it's just a small feature that's worth pointing out. And so, and here the bathroom's kind of a multi-purpose area. They've got this covered wardrobe area which serves as your kind of part of your bedroom. So because you've got a small loft bedroom, this is your wardrobe area, and it's got full drawers underneath. You've got three nice big drawers underneath. And what we put in here is a nice little laundry chute, so you can actually, just where my hand is, you can actually access this laundry basket from the top, so you can chuck your laundry in there from the top. My wife thought that was a great feature because of her experience in our own tiny house. It's just ends up lots of laundry at the bottom of the ladder, so that's just something that's really simple, which we chucked in there. So we've got a full-size washing machine. It's a Samsung unit, and quite nice. Here it has a little add to feature, so you can chuck stuff in there after it's already running. Chuck some odd socks in there, and then you got space down here for what do you call them, towels and stuff, and then a nice big drawer underneath the washing machine, and then got a nice little sink to wash your hands, and then you've got a full-size shower here. It's a nice simple full-size, nice black fixtures, and we've actually made this custom made solid steel bar for the curtain rail, and it's nice and strong, it's not going to break on you. And then you can close the door obviously, and it actually gives you quite a nice, when you're in here, it's a nice spacious bathroom, plenty of room, doesn't feel cramped in any way. You've got plenty of room to get right in front of the toilet and do your business. And that's really the bathroom. Got an extractor fan up there, a couple of lights, and it's very highly functional, and it's not cramped, which we think is good. So I'll just go up the ladder here. So we've actually, instead of using the stairs, which is fairly common in tiny houses, we've opted for a ladder. Main reason is we feel that they're a lot safer, because you've always got 3 points of contact when you climb a ladder, and also it's nice and solid, fixed in place. So you can still store stuff in behind here. You could even put shelves in there if you want. So I'll just climb up here and show you upstairs real quick. So you climb up the ladder, you can just do a 90-degree rotation and put your bum down on the floor, and then you can shimmy your way up. That's one good option that's quite easy to do. And then here we are up in the bedroom. This is the lovely bedroom here, and as you can see, you got plenty of room to sit up in bed, with plenty of headroom, and you've got a couple of nice windows. And you can see here you've got the laundry chute, so in there you can chuck your laundry down there, whatever. And it's very nice. Sam, if you want to just come up and then you can look down, it's quite a beautiful viewing area. And that's really it. Yeah, the house is, we've put a lot of love and care into building it, and it's fully insulated. So we've made it to be efficient, we've made it to be nice, and we hope that you like it as much as we do. So thanks very much for watching this video, and we look forward to your comments and stuff like that. Thank you. Bye.